Shine Armor Quick Coat. Is it truly a contender in the ceramic coating arena, or is it just another quick detailing spray? I will answer that question in this video. Alright, so we have the Shine Armor Quick Coat. Basically, it's a 3-in-1 product. It's a waterless wash, a detailing, as well as a protecting product. So basically, you should be able to clean your car without any water. It's a spray on, wipe off application. With that, it should provide a great shine. Also, it has ceramic infused into the product, so therefore it should be a protectant on top of your clear coat. So in essence, you're getting all three products in one with this. I have no affiliations with Shine Armor. I wasn't sponsored by anybody else. This is just a product that I picked up because I wanted to get a good product that can give me a good shine, especially on the Camaro because I have to leave it outside. So I wanted to see what kind of protection it could provide on my Camaro, being that it sits outside. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, so we have a sprayer. We have the actual formula. And we have 2 microfiber cloths. Okay, so it specifies that you can use it on a dirty car as long as there's not any mud or any type of heavy debris on the car. So I have my Camaro. It sits outside. It's got dirt, dust, pollen, all that good stuff. So we're gonna do it as is. If there's any sticks or anything like that or things that may scratch the paint, I'm gonna wipe that off, of course. But all in all, I'm not gonna wash it and I'm gonna do it straight as it is. So let's check that out. All right, so the directions are pretty straightforward. They're located on the bottle. So first step is to spray onto a clean, damp microfiber cloth and then wipe onto the surface. Second instruction is to wipe the surface with the pre-wetted towel gently across the surface. And then third step is to quickly switch to the second clean microfiber cloth and wipe off any remaining product. And then fourth is definitely to repeat until it's done. Pretty straightforward instructions, so let's get to it. All right, so these towels are actually pretty nice. So let's go ahead, spray it on the towel as it was instructed to. Get that nice and moist. Then you spray it onto the surface. Then wipe. Now be mindful, this was a dirty hood. I didn't clean it. Take your clean cloth, immediately wipe it. All right, so the results are not bad. This side is kind of smooth, still got some roughness, but like I said, this is a dirty hood. It sits outside, so it probably needs a wash first, then maybe a clay bar or something like that. But all in all, just to have dirty and clean, it definitely is a quick, good result. All right, so what are we actually looking for as far as results from spraying this on our vehicle? For me, I'm looking for, is it slick? 2, does it have a shine? Does it provide a good shine? 3, does it leave any streaks or any unpleasant marks? And 4, is it hydrophobic? Meaning, does it repel the water? So, as far as shine, I think it passes that test. It's giving off a really good shine for it to be a dirty car. As you can see between the coated side and the uncoated side, kind of night and day. Now there are some marks left on the hood, and I think that's just because of it being dirty and needing actually to be kind of scrubbed on some of these marks. Maybe it was bird poop, I'm not sure. So the shine part passes. Second, is it slick? So as you've probably seen on some of the commercials, they put a bottle on here and they see if it slide off. So let's see if that actually is true. All right, one more time. All right, so it looks like it actually does have some slickness to it. So the bottle did slide off with no problem. So slickness, check. Now, as far as streaks, I don't see any streaks. There was no set time for it to cure or anything like that. So pretty much you spray it on and you wipe it off. So that's what I did for the most part. But it didn't leave any streaks, didn't have to buff too hard, wipe here and there. So I say that passed. So now let's just do a water test to see what that does. See if it beads up the water and repels it off the hood. All right, so it definitely is repelling the water. It didn't pull up. Of course, gravity's gonna take it down, but it beat it up and it went down. So for comparison, let's come over here. So it didn't bead as much or any from the top here and is kind of pulling up. Gravity, of course, is taking it down, but as you can see, it has pulled up here and not like the other side where it really left almost no markings of where I initially poured it. All right, so we've completed using this product, and honestly, it's a nice product. Now, I'm no expert on ceramic coating or all the science ins and outs of ceramic coating and the SiO2 or all those chemical components and all that. No expert by any means, but as a consumer, which I'm assuming most of you guys are, this product is good. It produces a shine, it repels water, it has a nice slick coat on it. Comment below and let me know what your opinion is on the product if you use it. Thanks for checking out my video. See you in the next one. I'm out.